realm of riddles.
You are a doctor who specializes in autopsies. One night, you are brought a strange case of a man who does not have his right hand anymore. Upon further inspection, you see a hole in his head, which you determine to come from a gunshot. You can tell the bullet went from the right side of his head to the left side, and that there was no fight or struggle from the man when it happened. The man was found by his wife with a gun in his left hand as he stood lifeless. The wife claims that the man definitely took his own life. You have to make a decision. Was this a suicide, or is there more to the story? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. Let's apply logical thinking. The man only has his left hand left, but the bullet went from the right of the head to the left side. Therefore, the man could not have been able to reach the right side of his head with a gun, and this was not a suicide. Someone must have shot the man while he was sleeping before placing the gun in his hand. You file your report as inconclusive, and the wife is immediately questioned further by the police, although nothing can be determined yet.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like the video and subscribe. Share the video with your friends. Let's hit 300 subscribers by April.